Hello, welcome back to the snake crib, and today I'm gonna feed my snake again, and that's gonna be it. But today, yeah, I'm gonna feed it the next my other another wiener rat, because I did it yesterday. I'm doing another one today, and yeah, you can see his head a little bit sticking out of his hide a bit. So I'll be feeding it again, and I'll see you. Right, back again, and right now I'm going to take the lid off and feed my rat. I'm feed my snake. Right, here we go. Oh, shit. Do that again. There, it's just this. It's just a... Damn it. He was going to strike for it, but I let go so he can catch it. But now... what I'm going to need... is this. Get his distraction over here so we can catch this, get this rat out. Now here. Don't go through this. See, this is one of the problems. Try and get the rat back out. And he's bit the rat already, but not fully. He's only got the nip of his the nip. Right, can you let me get the rat back out? Right. Jesus Christ, he's not letting me take this rat back out. So I need to make sure that it's actually, make sure that it looks like it's alive. If it's just to sit there, he's not going to eat it. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Right, I got the rat back out. So, for another attempt. Hope this time it works. There we go. Yes. He's got the whole head wrapped around his, the whole rat's head around his mouth now, so he'll swallow it. Finally. And I'll show you close up. Ready? There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Nice and dandy. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and that you subscribe, leave a like if you enjoy this video, and leave a comment down below if what you think of this video, and any tips on how I get the snake to calm down before I get the rat in. Like sometimes I open the top, alerts it to know and think that it's gonna be fed. But I don't want them to know that he's getting fed until I know I want them to get fed. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.